Hello, today just a quick update on the new wheels on my Renault Master. Here you got the old wheels on the old side, and here we go. And that's the new wheels. And here went with all-terrain Falken tires and alloy wheels from Roach Alloys. I think they look pretty good. The size is, one second, where that was, 225 75 16. They clear nicely on the rear. The ET is ET 45, wheel is 6.5 inch wide, the same like a normal wheel, except that the ET is 45 instead of 66, so it sticks out 21 mil. Can't really say it, to be honest. They still too much in, I would say. The front on the other side just about fits. You can see when you turn the wheel there is tiny little bit of clearance. Hopefully will be enough. If not, I will have to do something with this plastic over here, maybe push it in or something. I'll work that out later. For now I will see how it works. I think that they look lovely. I will paint the front caliper to make it look a bit better. I still have to do the same on the rear, but didn't have time today. So I would say, if you think about it, wheels for your van, they're not too bad. As you can see, they're still quite in, but I would say there's not a lot of choice of wheels for Renault Master. But looking that mine is red with already black trim, so black wheels I think will look good on it, or are looking good on it already. The tires, we will see how they will perform. The all-terrain, all-weather, loads of tread. It's like 13 millimeters of tread over here, so they're supposed to last a while. And we'll see how they will perform, if they're loud or not. As far as I know, they're not supposed to be too loud, but that's for another video when I start using them. When I do like 1,000 miles or something, I will update you guys and we will see what I think about them. Okay, for now that's it. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.